Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dan selamat datang to Madam Sharita Arfa. So today we are presenting about our assignment, which is programming language for cybersecurity. So my name is Azra Shah Baidugafar, and this is our team member.
My name is Azam Izzuddin.
My name is Irfan Wajidi.
And my name is Ahmad Daus.
So for the first slide, which is the three programming language that is popularly used in cybersecurity. So the number one is Python. So Python is one of the most popular programming language for cybersecurity because of it's simple to pick up and even simpler to put to use. So because of this, it's easy to understand syntax. It is a fantastic option for novices who are just starting out in the world of computer programming. Python is also used in SCAPI, which is used for packet manipulation, Nmap for network scanning, PyCrypto, and more for the programming. So the next one is the C# and C++ language, which is a low-level programming language that are commonly used for system-level programming. So this makes it well suited for cybersecurity. So this language are ideally suited for employment in the field of cybersecurity because they can be used for the development of malicious software and rootkits. So having this language working, knowledge also is necessary for practicing effective cybersecurity. So the last one is the Bash language. It's actually a Unix and Linux system scripting language. So it's frequently employed for the purpose of automating a variety of tasks. So Bash is a command line interface that gives a method to execute commands and automate activities. So those working in cybersecurity who have to conduct duties that are repetitive or example log files will find this tool especially helpful. And then for the next slide, I'll give to my teammate.
So, Assalamualaikum. So, I will discuss about Python. So, this code that utilize the Nmap library to scan port 1 to 1000 on the target host, which in this case is the local computer. So, the code employs the port scanner class from the Nmap module to create a scanner. The target host and ports to be scanned are then provided as arguments when the scan method is called on the scanner instance. The result of the scan will be subsequently printed to the console. So this code proves useful for identifying open ports on the system, as open port can potentially serve as vulnerabilities that attackers may exploit. So you can see the code. So next slide. So this one is example of coding for C# or C++. So this C program that demonstrates basic access control and authentication mechanisms. The program prompts the user to input a password using the scanf function and stores it in the password variable. So it then deploys the function to compare the entered password with a hardcore password. If the password match, the software display access granted on the console. Otherwise, it print access denied. So you can see the code over here. Yes. So, and the last one is an example of coding for Bash. So basically, this code that utilize the netcat software to perform a simple port scan on a specific IP address and port. The code employs various arguments and flags with the NC command to customize the scan. The negative V arguments enables the output. The negative W5 flag sets a timer of 5 seconds And the negative Z flag instructs NC to scan for open ports without sending any data. So this is a coding. And then next we pass to my teammate.
Okay, for the next one is the 3 companies that use programming language to develop their product. Okay, for the first company is Cisco. Okay, Cisco is a global technology company for its networking and security solution. Uh, Cisco use a variety of programming language such as Python, C, C++, and also Bash. Okay, Cisco use Python to automate network, analyze data, and make web-based app and API because it is easy to use. C Sharp and C++ is used for low-level control, improving speed and making basic part like network protocol, device driver, and security algorithm. And for the best scripting, it used for system administration and automation job. Cisco can offer full cybersecurity solution. Uh, this solution that include automation, analyze, performance, and system control because it uses this programming language. Okay, for the next, the next company is the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a very popular single board computer in cybersecurity. Utilize Python for its ease use and hardware interfacing. C++ for low-level programming and high-performance application, and Go for lightweight and concurrent solution, and JavaScript for web-based security apps. Python enables network scanning tools and home automation system. C++ construct custom level and encryption technique. Go facility efficient parallel processing, and JavaScript interact with web interface. Raspberry Pi is really affordable and very flexible and can support multiple programming language and that make it versatile for developing an innovative cybersecurity solution. Okay, for the next company is the Bitdefender. Bitdefender is a very well-known cybersecurity company that use many different programming language to make it a protection product. First one is the C++ is used a lot to build basic component, give a low level control and improve performance. Python is used for prototyping, scripting, and making a high level product component because it is easy to use and has a large library environment. Uh, with assembly code, low-level component can have a fine-grained control over their hardware. JavaScript is used to make a web-based interface, manage console, and client-side scripting, all of which improve the user experience and the way things work. Bash scripting will automate system management job, which speed up and improve the development of security product at Bitdefender. Okay, for the next one, I will pass it to Wajidi.
Okay, for the last topic we will discuss is cybersecurity programmer challenge. Cybersecurity has emerged as one of the most pressing issues facing people, businesses, and governments worldwide in the current digital era. Because technology is being used more and more in every aspect of our lives, there is a greater risk than ever that data will be compromised or attacked online. Next. Okay, for the first one is ransomware evolution. Ransomware has evolved over the past few years to become one of the most dangerous and expensive cyber threats facing people and businesses today, and this has posed a significant challenge for cybersecurity programmers. One of the key ways in which ransomware has evolved is through the use of social engineering tactics. Attackers now deceive user into clicking on links or downloading attachment that contain the ransomware payload using expertly crafted phishing emails, social media, message, and other forms of targeted communication. Additionally, many ransomware perpetrators are now providing ransomware as a service, RAS, to other cyber criminals, enabling them to rent out their infrastructure and toolkits in exchange for a share of the profits. This has caused the spread of new ransomware strains and made these dangers more pervasive. Next. Second is APTs, Advanced Persistent Threats. In recent years, advanced persistent threats has emerged as one of the biggest problems facing cybersecurity programmers. APTs are target attacks carried out by highly skilled and motivated cyber criminals, frequently with the support of nation state to steal confidential information or cause critical infrastructure to fail. Another challenge presented by APTs is their level of sophistication. Attackers who are well-funded, highly skilled, and have access to cutting-edge tools and methods typically carry out these attacks because they frequently employ malware that is specifically created to avoid detection by conventional security measures. To address this challenge, programmers in the field of cybersecurity must take multi-layered approach to security that incorporates a variety of technical controls, including network segmentation, endpoint protection, and advanced threat intelligence solution. Implementing a strong incident response plan that establish roles and responsibilities. Next. The last one is AI expansions and IoT threats. The expansion of artificial intelligence or AI and the proliferation of Internet of Things IoT device have brought about a new set of challenges for cybersecurity programmers. Programmers need to be ready to handle these threats as the potential for cyber attacks has grown as these technologies are integrated more deeply into our daily life. The inherent security flaws of IoT device presents another difficulty. Many of these devices were made with convenience and usability in mind, not security, which can make them susceptible to a variety of attacks, such as DDoS attacks, botnets, and malware infection. To overcome this challenge, cybersecurity programmers need to approach security proactively to overcome this obstacle. Investing in AI-driven security solution that can automate threat detection and response, as well as implementing advanced threat intelligence solutions that can detect and respond to AI-driven attacks in real time. So that's all from us. Next. So that's all for us. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Adam.